Welcome to Supsystic, a magical WordPress world where all plugins play nicely together. If this video is too quick, feel free to pause or use the cog menu as shown in this video to slow it down. Start with the Google Maps plugin by Supsystic. Download the free version, then add the pro version with the 14-day free trial. Advanced features at no cost. Let's begin with adding markers. To add markers to your map, navigate to the Markers tab within the plugin settings. Click on Add Marker, choose a location on the map, and place your marker. You can customize the marker icon by selecting from the library or uploading your own. Additionally, you can customize the info windows with text, images, or links to make them more informative. Next, let's explore changing map themes. The Supsystic plugin offers various map styles to match your website's design. Go to the Map Style tab and browse through the available themes. Select the one that best suits your website and apply it to your map. You can also customize these themes further by adjusting the color scheme and other visual elements. Now, let's adjust the map settings. This includes setting the zoom levels and map controls to enhance user interaction. You can find these options under the Settings tab. Adjust the zoom level to your preference and enable or disable controls such as Street View, Full Screen Mode, and Map Type. Additionally, you can enable map layers like traffic or transit to provide more detailed information to your users. Once you've customized your map, it's time to save and publish. Click on Save Map to ensure all your changes are stored. To update the embedded map on your website, simply copy the updated shortcode and replace the old one on your desired page or post. In conclusion, we've covered how to add markers, change map themes, and adjust various settings to customize your Google Map using the Supsystic plugin. Experiment with these features to create a map that enhances your website's functionality and user experience. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials on maximizing the potential of your WordPress plugins. Happy mapping!